Today we're at Muskegon Family Care, a full-spectrum health center that provides routine dental care and so much more. Let's learn how Muskegon Family Care Dental is making the most smiles along the lakeshore.
All right, so tell me on a scope, what does Muskegon Family Care Dental provide as services?
We provide great quality care, to the, low income, uninsured.
Prophylactic cleaning, restorations, fillings, crowns, dentures, prosthetics, fixed and removable, extractions, of course, for relief of pain is what we do.
I mean, the beauty of Muskegon Family Care is it's sort of a one-stop shop. You have a lot of resources at your disposal here that aren't just dentistry. You can have your primary care, your pharmacy, your dental all here, and it allows us to provide more comprehensive whole patient care because we're able to communicate with the docs downstairs and the pharmacy. So it just provides more of a family feel, I feel like.
What are some other ways that sets you apart from other dentistries in the area?
We offer services that a lot of FQHCs do not.
What's a FQAC?
A federal qualified health center.
Okay.
We see a lot of Medicaid patients and things like that. There's not many offices that affiliate with Medicaid. We don't turn patients away, whether you're insured or uninsured, Medicaid, whatever. We see them no matter what. And we do services that some offices don't do, like root canals, alveoplasties, gingivectomies, a lot of third molar extractions. We have 3D cone beam X-ray system, which is not common for FQHC offices to have. So we have a little bit that makes us a little different.
So I've worked in Medicaid dental before. This is the first federally qualified healthcare center I've worked in before. And I think that that's what really sets us apart. We're able to provide a higher quality of care than other places are. I didn't last very long in the other clinics that I've worked in because I didn't feel like I was doing good by my patients or able to do as quality of a job, and then we're able to do that here. We have more support.
What kind of brings passion to you within this job? What gets you really excited in the morning?
Helping people and getting results. Either by restoring smiles or relieving discomfort. Either way, just rewarding for serving the people.
Especially, the children, because they're the most fearful of dentistry. And, when I see a kid, that thinks they can't make it through the appointment, and then I coach them to make it through the appointment, that's all I need. It makes my day.
You just don't know what experience patients have had, but oftentimes you have patients that come that have had a negative experience. And so trying to turn that around, trying to show them that dentistry doesn't have to be a miserable experience. We can have fun and have a decent visit without it being miserable.
How do you go about doing that? Because I feel like a lot of people have had negative experiences, or they're hesitant or reluctant to go to the dentist.
I find trying to relate with them, listening to the experiences that they've had, and empathizing with their experience. Just patients want to be heard.
It's a caring place, and that's why I love being here.
So is that what you would say to someone new in the area looking for a dentist? What would you say to them?
Give Muskegon Family Care the chance. You'll find out that care is the beginning of what we do and the end of family care of what we do.